Solve the problem using a system of equations. The largest angle of a triangle measures 10 degrees less than twice the middle-sized angle. The middle-sized angle measures 5 degrees more than twice the smallest angle. The sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Find the measure of each angle. Shown is a triangle with angle measures x degrees, y degrees, and z degrees. We're going to let x equal the measure of the smallest angle we'll let y equal the measure of the middle-sized angle and we'll let z equal the measure of the largest angle. Now we can use the information given in the problem statement in order to obtain a system of equations so that we can solve for x, y, and z. We know that the sum of the measures of the angles of any triangle is 180 degrees, and thus x plus y plus z equals 180. We're also told that the middle-sized angle measures 5 degrees more than twice the smallest angle. Therefore, we know that y is equal to 5 plus 2x. And finally, we were told that the largest angle measures 10 degrees less than twice the middle-sized angle. And thus, z is equal to 2y minus 10. Now we're ready to solve this system of equations. So we will make room to solve this system. We'll use substitution. We know that y equals 5 plus 2x and z equals 2y minus 10. We want both of these equations in terms of the same variable so that we can substitute them into our first equation, x plus y plus z equals 180 degrees. To do that, let's solve the second equation for x. Solving the second equation for x, we have x is equal to 1/2 y minus 5/2. Now we can substitute 1/2 y minus 5/2 in for x and 2y minus 10 in for z in the first equation. So we have 1/2 y minus 5/2 plus y plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 180. Now we're ready to solve for y. First, we'll eliminate the fractions by multiplying both sides of the equation, or each term in the equation, by 2. We have y minus 5 plus 2y plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 360. We then combine like terms on the left side of the equation to get 7y minus 25 is equal to 360. Adding 25 to both sides of the equation, we have 7y is equal to 385. And then dividing both sides of the equation by 7, we have y equals 55. Now that we've solved for y, we can substitute 55 for y in our third equation to solve for z. We have z is equal to 2 times 55 minus 10. Simplifying, z equals 110 minus 10, or 100. Now that we have y and z, we can solve for x by substituting 55 for y and 100 for z in the first equation. We have x plus 55 plus 100 is equal to 180. Simplifying, we have x plus 155 equals 180, and subtracting 155 from both sides of the equation, we have x equals 25. Thus, the smallest angle of the triangle is 25 degrees. The middle-sized angle measures 55 degrees, and the largest angle measures 100 degrees. We can check our answer. The sum of these angle measures is 180 degrees. The middle-sized angle, 55 degrees, is 5 more than twice the smallest angle, 25 degrees. And the largest angle, 100 degrees, is 10 degrees less than twice the middle angle, 55 degrees.